What does it take to achieve greatness? To push beyond your limits and reach the summit of success. It takes passion, determination, and the courage to face your fears. We all have dreams, but it's not enough to just dream. You have to take action to fight for what you believe in. You have to be willing to put in the work, to sweat, to bleed, and to sacrifice. But what happens when you face failure? When it seems like the world is against you, and every step forward is met with 2 steps back? That's when you have to dig deep. To find that fire within you that refuses to give up. To find the strength to get up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. So don't give up. Don't let fear, doubt, or failure hold you back. You have the power within you to achieve greatness. You just have to believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. Because the view from the top is worth it. The feeling of accomplishment, of knowing that you did something that you thought was impossible, is indescribable. Because the journey may be tough, but the destination is worth it.